How do you make money with an Amway business? Well, there's basically three ways. It starts by buying the products. This generates points. I'll talk more about points later.
Thanks, honey. Can't wait to try this.
Using the products gives you confidence to talk about them with customers. As customers buy your products, you generate additional points and potential retail income.
Thanks. We love these Nutrilite twist tubes.
And I love the fact that Nutrilite products are made with plant concentrates.
These products have a 180-day, 100% satisfaction guarantee. With that sale, I made retail income, which is the difference between my cost for the product and the price I charge my customers. And yes, I also generated more points. The more points you generate through selling the products, the greater your potential performance bonus. Now, as you make contacts, you'll find others who want to start their own business.
We like what we're hearing.
But we have a few more questions.
Let's set up a time when my wife and I can sit down with you.
Great.
Another way to make money is when the people you talk to start their own business, use the products, sell the products, and find others to do the same. As you help them succeed, you are both rewarded for generating points. This helps you become eligible for additional bonuses and incentive trips as your business grows. So let's recap. There's retail income you can earn from selling, there's performance bonuses you can earn for generating points, and there's additional bonuses based on helping others succeed. Now, I know I made this seem pretty simple. It's not always easy, but it is low risk.
Give this business a try for 90 days, and if it's not for you, Amway will refund the cost of your business registration fee, no questions asked. But imagine if starting your own business was for you, and it helped you take back control of your time, your independence, your quality of life.
You decide. Talk to an Amway independent business owner today. They'd love to answer your questions.